What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you can tell, I'm going to be vlogging today. I'm doing something pretty cool, I guess, so I'm going to be taking you guys with me. Might as well do a little vlog. I haven't done one in a minute, and so today I'm going to be picking up the Balenciaga XXS. Honestly, so excited. I've been wanting a pair for so long now, honestly. I don't know why. I just fell in love with those shoes and I just need it. So today I'm going to be picking up. I pre-ordered one a couple days ago, and it was already sold out. It's crazy. I got lucky on it. Good thing I called right on time to pre-order the pair. But I'm gonna go today. Right now I'm gonna be going to IHOP real quick just because IHOP is having a free pancake day. So I'm gonna take advantage of that and get some free pancake. So yeah, let's go. For anyone wondering the fit of the day, I'm wearing some Yeezys Zebras. I got some skinny jeans on. I got my chest harness and some gray hoodie. Something simple, nothing too special, just something to go out quick. Alright, so let's eat. Free pancakes. Alright guys, so we're walking to Balenciaga right now. Here's another angle of the outfit. Pretty simple outfit. But yeah, let's go. So here, what the shoes basically looks like, the V2s, the new ones that just came out today. They're taking mine out right now, and if I can get a better look at it, and I can try it on with my size. What's the fit again? Not bad, not bad.
That's funny. I never had issues for a size from these. So this is weird. If it feels sloppy, then I mean I say no. But
Giant ass box. I mean, giant ass bag. I know it's crazy. This shit's heavy. But I finally got my first XXS. Happy about that. I'm sure you guys a closer look right now. Alright guys, so we got the bag. It's heavy. It's a big ass shoe. But I don't know how it. I honestly don't know what I think about the shoe. It's probably gonna grow on me. It's not the best, but it's like the first. It's like when the XXS came out. I didn't like him either, but it hella grew on me. So this would probably grow on me as well. But yeah, it's pretty much. Alright guys, so I thought I would be done shopping, but I saw this at Shoe Palace. This, I'm not sure what they're called, the swoosh pack, the all-star Air Force One, I'm not sure, but I want to pick these up because these look so clean. Especially you can like take out the swoosh and like put another one. See, like, look at this, that's tight. I'm totally gonna pick these up. I really like it. I have to add that to my cart. They really look sick. This is the last size, and I cannot sleep on this one. This is a pretty sick piece for my sneakers collection. I really like it. Let's pop. Let's go. And as you can tell, this is the box right here. It's a pretty big box for those shoes. And I'm not gonna go too much in detail of the shoe, just because I want to make a different video for that. I'm gonna review on foot. But here it is. You can tell there's the instruction manual. Got some dust bag in there. I'm opening it. So excited for this pair, man. I'm just honestly lucked on it. I was already sold out and it hasn't even released yet. Because a lot of people pre-ordered them before they even released. That's why they're sold out so quick. But this is the colorway. I'm honestly liking the colorway. It's not that bad. I was really looking into the white ones more. But in Vegas, I guess the white ones, nobody was getting them. There's only 2 Balenciaga stores in Vegas, and this was the only one that was releasing here, pretty much. But here's the shoe. It's a pretty clean pair. Can't wait to start styling them. Can't wait to beat them up. They already pretty much look beat up just because how they want the shoes to be. Pretty clean, and that's it right there. And alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy that video, and if you guys do like me to do more vlogs in the channel, honestly let me know down below. I don't do it as much just because I think I'm horrible at vlogs. If you can't tell, I don't know how to do it. So if you guys do want me to do more vlogs, I will invest my time to learn how to vlogs, do better vlogs for you guys. So as long as you guys let me know down below, because honestly it's fine with me if you guys want me to, and I'll do it regularly too if you guys want. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like, comment, subscribe down below. That being said, hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys.